Hello everyone, welcome to Techies. In this video, we are going to talk about interpolation. So interpolation is a kind of dynamic data binding and also it's a one-way binding. Let me show in my application first. This is newly created application. As of now, there is no changes. We are going to do our first change. Let me show the existing output. So this is the default template provided by Angular. So these all designs are coming from the app component. So let me clear all the things. Now see, this is the blank screen. Let me do my first change here. I am going to add one h1 tag. Welcome to Nigirati keys. Okay. Also, let me add one style here. So the font weight is bold and the color is green. Let me see in the browser. So welcome to Nigirati keys. So this is the static value we have binded. Now I am going to bind these values in the dynamic way. Now I am going to the TS file. See here the title was there. In the title I am going to change welcome to Nihira Trickies. Let me bind here. I am just removing this. Here I am going to use double curly braces. This double curly braces is for the syntax of interpolation. Okay, great. Let me see the output once again. The same welcome to Nigra Techies was there. Even I am trying to do some changes here. So the changes are get affected. Okay, great. It's working fine. And also I'm going to explain what are the things we can achieve from the interpolation and what are the things we cannot achieve through the interpolation. Okay. First data binding we can achieve. That's what we have done right now. And the next one is calculation we can do. And also comparison also we can do. And also what are the things we cannot achieve through the interpolation. So data assigning. Right now, whatever the values we have, we just assign to the one of the control. But at the same time, if you are trying to assign some values to this title means it's not possible. And also type of function. In the JavaScript, we have the type of function. Based on using this, we can identify the type. For this particular functionality cannot work. And also increment and decrement operator also does not work in the interpolation. So we can verify one by one. First, let me explain the calculation here. For that, I am going to declare two variables, length 100 and there is a base 50. Okay, great. So here I am going to explain the calculation related things. Okay, the area of square is so the length star length. Okay, let me see the output. Okay, it's showing some error. Okay, see now it's working fine because first I made the changes here, then I did some changes in the HTML file, but I'm not saved the TS file. That's what we face some error. The similar way we can check one more thing is the area of rectangle is length cross B. See the rectangle is so some values is coming. The same way I said we can do the comparison also in the interpolation. Let me try that also. Same curly braces, length B. So now it's showing true. So now we have completed what are the things we can achieve through the interpolation. Next we are going to talk about the things we cannot achieve through the interpolation. Okay, let me try to assign some values here. So it's showing some error. Let me remove this. And also I'm trying to use the increment operator. So it will say clearly it's targeting this line, length plus plus it's showing the error. So okay, let me remove it. So it's working fine. Now we are in the end of the session. Still, if you have any doubts or clarification, please post in the comment box. And also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Then only you will get the upcoming videos notification. And if you like this video, like and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.